Need help assembling furniture? TaskRabbit can help. Want someone to wait in line for you? TaskRabbit can help. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people who need help with people who are willing to help. It's like a helping hand right when you need it. Imagine needing someone to help you move or to clean your house. Finding the right person can be tough. TaskRabbit makes it easy. It's a community of helpers, ready to tackle your to-do list. TaskRabbit helps people every day. It connects you with reliable people in your community. Whether it's a small job or a big project, TaskRabbit is there for you. TaskRabbit is a two-sided marketplace. One side is for people who need help. We'll call them clients. The other side is for people who want to earn money by providing help. We'll call them taskers. Let's say you need help with mounting a TV. You would post a task on TaskRabbit describing what you need. Taskers interested in the job can then send you their offers. You choose the tasker you like best, based on their price, reviews, and skills. Once the task is complete, you pay the tasker through the TaskRabbit platform. It's safe, secure, and very convenient. For taskers, TaskRabbit offers a great way to earn extra money. You can set your own rates and choose the tasks you want to do. The more tasks you complete, the more money you can make. To maximize your earnings, set competitive rates. Offer a variety of skills. A diverse skill set attracts more clients. Build a strong profile with good reviews. Positive reviews build trust with potential clients. And don't forget about tips. Clients often tip taskers who do a great job. Excellent service leads to happy clients and more tips for you. Ready to get started with TaskRabbit? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, download the TaskRabbit app or visit the website. Then create an account. It's free to sign up and start browsing tasks or offering your skills. Once you have an account, you can start exploring tasks or creating your tasker profile. TaskRabbit provides a great platform to earn extra income or find the help you need. Join the TaskRabbit community today.